Hi, it's Susan here and welcome to In the Craft Room. Today we've got our hands on issue number 18 and we're making another version of the Windmill Sails square. This is the Windmill Sails square that we made on a previous episode. The Windmill Sails square was the 6th patchwork square that we made. And today we're making the Windmill Sails square with a bit of a variation. The difference is, with our first Windmill Sails square, we used 3 types of fabric. Today we're using 4 types of fabric. With issue 18, to make this type of Windmill Sails square, you will be receiving the coral spot, the pink stripe, the blue floral, and the ivory sprig. Although these are the fabrics they've provided us with, I'm not a fan of this combination. In the guide it states, this square is a repeat of Patchwork Square 6 but made with a lovely clash of patterned fabrics. I don't know if it's a lovely clash, I just think it's a clash. So as our original Windmill Sails square is in the cooler colours, I'm going to focus on the warmer colours for this one. I'm going to keep the pink stripe, the coral spot and the ivory sprig, and I'm going to ditch the blue floral. I'm going to replace the blue floral with my pink daisy fabric. I think the colours will work more harmoniously. And as we've made this square before, I do have the templates from my template box. We're going to be using the template C triangles and 2 template D triangles. Let's get cracking. I'm going to start by giving all of our fabrics a press. All of our fabrics are pressed and I'm going to start cutting the ivory sprig first. We're going to need to fold it in half, print side together. We're going to be cutting out 4 of the C template, therefore the fabric is folded in half. Only 2 of these templates fit on the surface. We've cut out the ivory sprig and we're finished using the C templates. For all the other cuts, we're going to be using the D template. So we've cut out all of our pieces using the template for the Windmill Sails patch. We've got 4 of the ivory sprig, 2 of the coral spot, 2 of the pink stripe, and 4 which would have been the floral, the blue floral, but I'm using the pink daisy. It's time to lay out our square in front of us in its formation. So I've laid the Windmill Sails square in front of me and I'm liking what's happening in the middle, but I'm not too keen of the ivory sprig fabric. I don't think it gels as well as it could. I'm going to ditch these C triangles and I'm going to have a rummage through my fabrics and find a fabric which I think will work better. So I've narrowed it down to 3 fabrics, which I think could work. There's this pale pink. I do really like it, but I think it's a bit washed out. So I'm going to put this one back. I like our floral daisy here, but I don't have enough of that fabric. So it looks like I'm going to be using this one. It contains the apricot-y pinky highlights, which are featured here in the coral spot and in the daisy. My next step is to cut out 4 C templates in this fabric and see if it looks better. I'm just going to give this fabric a quick press. I'm then going to fold it back in half like we did with the floral sprig and cut out 4 of the C templates. And here they are. Let's have a look how they look. And here we have our new combination of fabrics, which I much prefer. Thank you for joining me in the craft room. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please join me next time where we stitch this Windmill Sails square together. See you next time. Bye.